What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you all. Shout outs to all those who have subscribed, and if you're new here, consider clicking the subscribe button so we can go on this journey together. So guys, in my previous video I showed you my new exhaust, the Mivv Suono replica of it that I installed, and I got very good comments on that video. And I promised in that video that I was going to bring you a riding experience of this new exhaust, and it sounds amazing, guys. So this is the video that I promised you. Stay tuned for the sound. I'm just gonna go do a quick startup, and then I'll hit the road. Alright guys, as you can probably tell, it sounds really great. The good thing is when I'm idling, I can still hear my music, so that's cool. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear the sound when I'm cruising with the exhaust blasting, but let's see. I'll try to talk in between, but in the meantime, just enjoy the sound. So guys, as you can probably already tell, it gives a lot more feedback than the original exhaust. It makes you feel like you're really riding an awesome bike. The rumble that comes from the exhaust is just amazing, and I'm really enjoying it right now. On idle, it's not very loud. You can still hear your music, which is really awesome. And if you're riding with a partner, you're going to be able to hear your partner as well. So that's a good plus. It really sounds good. I would definitely recommend this exhaust. It makes you feel like you're riding a bigger bike rather than a 125cc sort of small motorcycle. This is more like it. The original muffler on the CB500X, as you already know, doesn't sound good at all, and I don't think it's Honda's fault. This is a trend that's caught on with all the manufacturers. I mean, if you look at Kawasaki, Suzuki, and almost all of them, and I dare say even the big CCs like the GSs and the KTM 1290s and all that, they sound heavy but not that loud, which is cool, because if you go on a long distance, you don't want to have the sound to be too loud. But then, you know what I mean, everybody likes to hear some deep rumble sound. So let's hear some more. And another reason I like the deeper exhaust sound is you don't have to use your horn as much. Traffic around you can hear when you're coming. So let's talk about safety there. So it also means that you are a bit safer than when you have a quieter exhaust, because other cars and other drivers, motorcycles, pedestrians can hear you coming. Because the sound is loud, you can't ignore it. So that's another plus. It's safer. Safer and sounds good. Gives you a feel of what the bike is really like and how you're controlling the bike. So it's really amazing. interesting because it's so loud, not uncomfortably loud, and I can still hear my chain as I used to with a quieter exhaust. So that's definitely a plus. I'm not sure if on a long journey it's going to bother your ears. Probably another reason why manufacturers are using quieter exhaust. But yeah, I mean, if you're going on a long journey, you can take the DB killer, put it in your stuff somewhere, and if you feel like you need a bit more quiet, slap it on, and there you go. You have a quieter bike. But for just riding around and having fun, I think this is amazing. Whoa, this is nice. I'm loving it. This is nice. Yeah, guys, I can see people turning heads in their cars because they can hear this heavy sound, just like we all do, bike lovers. Once you hear the sound of the bike, you're looking to see what kind of bike it is and where is it coming from. So in the meantime, enjoy some more of the sound. And if I have to be honest, it kind of feels like the bike is a tiny bit lighter than before. It feels like it's pulling faster than it used to be. When I did the installation, we all saw that I was able to cut away about 2 kilograms from the original weight of the bike just by installing this aftermarket muffler. And I can definitely feel that the bike is pulling a lot faster, because obviously it doesn't have to do as much work because it's pulling relatively less weight than it used to. So so far I haven't seen that this new muffler is affecting the bike negatively. If anything, I think it's positive from what I can tell. And I've been riding it for a while now today, and I haven't really seen any quick drop in the fuel consumption. So it tells me there's probably no leakage or anything anywhere to cost me more fuel. If anything, I hope it's going to be more fuel efficient, but we'll wait to see. After a few days of riding it, we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, I'm coming to the end of this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. So this is the video that I promised. I hope you heard the sound as much as you wanted to. And I have to say I'm really loving it. I hope I'm going to use it for a long time and enjoy it throughout its life. So thank you guys for watching. And until I see you in the next video, ride legal, ride safe. Peace.